To make tea with fresh parsley, boil 1 cup, 237 milliliters of water in a kettle or saucepan. While you're heating the water, rinse a 1/4 cup, about 62 grams of fresh parsley leaves under cool, running water. Pat the leaves dry with a clean paper towel. Put the parsley leaves in a teacup and pour the hot water over them. Let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how strong you want the tea to be. Finally, pour the tea and leaves through a fine mesh strainer into a 2nd cup and discard the leaves. Enjoy your parsley tea plain or add sugar or honey to taste it if you prefer a sweeter brew. Don't have fresh parsley? No problem. Brew your tea the same way, but use 2 teaspoons, 1 gram of dried parsley instead.